What's going on, guys? FQ back at it with another video talking, of course, some affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, make sure to go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications because you're not going to want to miss out when I post videos. With that being said, here today to, of course, talk about affiliate marketing, give you guys a little update of what I've been working on, where I'm at, and give you guys, obviously, the topic of today's video, which is, of course, affiliate marketing, but Builderall really in focus, and specifically the product that I'm looking to promote, which is Builderall. So with that being said, what have I been up to? A bunch of things, folks. I have been working tirelessly to set up a bunch of my campaigns, to explore different sets of opportunities that I can utilize to promote my products. And here's my thing. I went from, when you first start with affiliate marketing, you really kind of want to do everything. You want to be able to do Facebook ads, Bing ads, Snapchat, do email marketing. It's every freaking thing because there's so many things out there in affiliate marketing, and it's gaining a lot of traction. It's one of the hottest things in 2018, which is why you need to get on it. But with that being said, I will say for those folks that are starting out, you really need to focus and pick a niche because honestly, you're going to go crazy. And that's where I really struggled. But now I have finally found a niche. I finally found a product. And I finally have a clear sense of focus of what I want to go ahead and spend most of my time doing. So you guys know when a horse has those, like those blinders, that's what I feel like right now. I'm just going to put on my blinders and focus on what I need to focus on. Because before, I was just trying to do everything and nothing was getting done. Okay, so the saying, if you want to get everything done, nothing gets done. I don't know if that's even a saying, actually. I just made that up, but you get my point, okay? So with that being said, talking about that and how important it is, okay? So you guys are going to want to focus on one thing. So what is my one thing? The one thing is Builderall, okay? Builderall is a product that I'm looking now to focus on, and I have focused on, and I'm looking to promote. Why is Builderall such a great product? First of all, I should even say what Builderall is. Builderall is basically a digital platform for people that want to create, websites, do email marketing, create sales funnels, a bunch of things. Usually businesses can utilize it as well. But Builderall is, to me, more so a great affiliate product, okay? When I say affiliate product, I mean it is the best product to promote, which is why, again, I'm recommending you guys promote it too. But I'll give you guys my reasons, and then you guys can decide to promote it yourselves, okay? The best thing about Builderall, and when you're looking at affiliate offers and affiliate networks and everything else in between, you're going to want to look at the commissions, okay? Commissions is the biggest thing because, again, that's how you get paid out here. That's how you make your buck. And Builderall has the best bang for your buck because it's got the best commission tier system. So it's got that 2-tier system. I don't know if you guys know about this, but again, you get 100% commission for the first person you refer. So if I am able to get somebody else to sign up for Builderall, which costs $49, by the way, but you compare that with ClickFunnels, which is Builderall's rival, that's about $97. So it's a steal for what Builderall is able to provide for you. And I've done videos on my channel going through the Builderall platform. You guys can go and check that out. And also, I will be able to send you guys funnels specifically explaining all of this. I've got free training for that. If you guys are interested, sign up for Builderall using my link down below, and I will send you all that. So go ahead and DM me, message me on my social media. I'll post the links down below for all of that. But basically, this 2-tier commission system, where usually what happens is if you sell my product, I'm just going to give you a commission and we're done. But what Builderall does is they pay you out for people not just that you refer to, but people that those people refer to. So if I recommended Builderall to somebody and they purchased it through my affiliate link, and then they go ahead and they promote Builderall through my affiliate link, then I get the commission for that second party as well. That's about a 30% commission, so about $14. And then if they recommend it to somebody else, that's another $14. So you see how this keeps growing and building. So that is key here because usually people don't do their research when they're looking at products to promote. They're just looking at the 1-tier commission, okay? That's it. I promote your product and that's it. But if somebody else promotes it, there's so much money out there to be had. So folks, you guys need to focus on that. That's what makes Builderall so great. So that's number one. Number two, it's a digital product, okay? It's 2018, folks. Digital products are the best things to promote. Number one, you never run out of inventory because it's digital, okay? Number two, because there's no inventory, there's no hassle of an inventory, of delivering, of shipping, or anything like that. It's all online. It's just an affiliate link. You just send it and you just go about your day and go from there. So to me, everything is automated and optimized. Because it's a digital platform, you can go ahead and showcase it, and you can promote it in a variety of different ways. But if it was a physical product, it'd be very difficult to go ahead and do that. You have to take pictures of it and all that stuff. So to me, the fact that it's a digital product makes all the difference in the world. And then finally, number three of why you need to promote Builderall. It's simple, okay? And I can't overstate that enough, because when I was, again, starting off in affiliate marketing, I was seeing that with a lot of things in affiliate marketing, it's not easy. Setting up Facebook ads, setting up Bing ads, setting up Snapchat ads, setting up campaigns, doing email marketing, setting up automation for email marketing. Folks, there's a lot of back-end stuff you have to do, okay? And a lot of folks aren't cut out for it, okay? For those folks that are serious about it, they will be willing to put in the work, and that's fine. But for those folks that, you know what, they know that it's not their cup of tea, they just want to go ahead and make the simplest way, buck they can with affiliate marketing, Builderall is that simple way. Because again, you can go ahead and just promote the Builderall link, and that's it. They've got funnels that they have for you that you can utilize, and I can provide you with funnels as well, okay? So go ahead, reach out to me by leaving a comment down below if you guys are interested in promoting Builderall. First of all, sign up for it, and then let me know if you're interested. I will give you the free funnels. I'll give you my free passive income system that I've utilized as well, and I'll give you training. You can reach out to me one-on-one anytime on learning how to promote it. There's a bunch of different ways you can promote it, but again, it's very simple, because I'm not going to require you to create and set up Facebook ads, Bing ads, campaigns, do a lot of coding, setting up websites, none of any of that stuff. And again, it sounds scammy and it's like, oh, how can you do that? No, because it's very simple. Why? It's a digital product that is available, and all you have to do is promote the affiliate link for it, and anybody that wants to utilize it can utilize it, and then those folks that want to utilize it as an affiliate product can go ahead and promote that affiliate link to somebody else. So again, if you eat, I eat. If I eat, you eat. We all prosper, and that's the best part about it. People don't understand that. They're like, well, Fiz, why would you give away this training for free? Because the more people you get to sign up, the more commission I get, and it helps you as well. So everybody benefits. That's the best part about it. So to me, you have to promote Builderall. It is the best product to start with in affiliate marketing if you're a beginner. And trust me, I've been there. You're going to go through a lot of bumps. You're going to get confused because there's so many different things you can look at in promoting with these affiliate networks, JVZoo, Max Bounty, blah, blah, blah. Keep it simple. Start with Builderall, promote Builderall, and go from there. Go ahead and use my link down below to sign up for Builderall, and then again, reach out to me either via my Instagram, my Twitter, or even just in the comment section below. I will send you a link to my free training, and you guys can get started. And again, you can reach out to me for any questions that you have, and we can all win. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.